Hey there, welcome back. I'm Mark. Today we'll be drawing a Valentine's Day heart, and this heart will have a bow on it. So for this project we need a sheet of paper, a ink marker like a Sharpie, and some colored markers. Okay, in the center of our page we're going to put a little dot there. That'll be the center of our heart. So we're going to come up to the left and down and stop right about there. And then on this side we'll try to draw that same shape over this way and down. And right over here, let's come down and we're going to try to end our heart together right at that point. So we're going to keep this line coming down and pointing. And if you miss it, it's okay. That's quite all right. Now the reason I stopped here is because we're going to have a bow over on that side. So I'm going to draw a curved shape like this, right about in this location. And then I'm going to do the bow that comes to the left. So we're going to do a curved shape like that. We're going to come down, and they're going to have like a little bend. And that's going to come back in like this. Then we'll do the same thing on the other side. We'll curve this out like that. And we'll do this. We'll have a couple lines in the middle that do that on both sides. And then we'll draw the ribbon part of this. So we'll come over to the left. We'll do this upside down V shape. And then we'll come up like that. And then we'll do the other ribbon this way. We'll do an upside down V shape. And we'll come back in. Now I'll just continue this line, and as though it goes all the way down. So we'll keep going like this, all the way down, and we'll meet up like that. Okay, then our ribbon is going to come across and be wrapping the heart. So this ribbon will come like this, and then we'll do another line. We can go right about here, like that, and that'll be wrapping around. Then I'll add some highlight shapes. So I'll draw this curve that follows the outer edge of my heart, and then it's going to be kind of pointy at the bottom and tight and close here, and then we'll get a little bit wider as we get over the top, and we'll just kind of round that edge. And then we'll do the same over on this side. So we'll round that and then kind of point it like this. Now let's go ahead and put in a smiley face for our heart. So I'm going to draw a circle here for the eye, and then I'm going to do another one over here. Then I'll do a mouth like this, and I'll do a couple like eyebrow shapes right over the eyes. And then inside the eye, I'm going to do a little circle on both sides, and then a smaller one just below. And then my eyes are going to be black, so I'll color that in since I have my black Sharpie out right now. And then if you want to add a few more hearts around your page, and that's it. Okay, for the next step, we'll go and marker this in. Well, I hope you enjoyed drawing this Valentine's Day heart with me. If you did, please like the video and subscribe my channel, because I do videos like these ones right over here on the left every single weekday, and you don't want to miss any one of them. So until that next one, I will see you then. Happy Valentine's Day!